Hello, my name is Richard C. Wilson. I'm founder of the Family Office Club and Billionaires.com. If you're a subscriber to our podcast or YouTube channel, I'd like to invite you to hop over to Billionaires.com and check out the content there. I realized that there are, millions and millions of videos on YouTube. There are hundreds of thousands of business books to read. Not very many are written by billionaires. Not many videos on YouTube are providing ideas directly from billionaires. So we purchased Billionaires.com last year. I bought it with a few investment partners. We spent 12 years negotiating the deal, followed up over 120 times via email to get it done. And now we're capturing billionaire insights by publishing public talks they've given and doing our own exclusive billionaire interviews. Last week, we interviewed Mark Cuban from Shark Tank. We had Mitzi Perdue on stage at our last live event from the Perdue chicken family and the Sheraton Hotel family. We've also had individuals such as Sheila Driscoll from the Driscoll Strawberry family. We've had Anu, is one of the top 10 wealthiest women in India, talk about philanthropy and giving recently. We've also had the founder of and the creator of the airport check-in kiosk, Jeff Hoffman, who's one of the early investors in Priceline.com and Booking.com. Gave our annual talk at our annual event last year. I gave the headliner talk and had half of the room in tears. Usually people don't cry at investment conferences if you've gone to them. So please check out Billionaires.com. See why we're excited about the content we're creating there. It's amazing content. It's super unique. And I hope you'll find it as helpful as we have. It is free to view, free to stream, and we're adding new content to the website each month. So please check out Billionaires.com. If you know anybody who's worth $1 billion plus, these are not invasive interviews that we do. They are 3-question, non-invasive interview questions that we ask via email. And if you can help us get 1 or 2 of these interviews done with a billionaire in your network, we will thank you publicly on the website page. And when we send out the billionaire interview to our 1.9 million followers on social media and our 238,000 person email list, we'll thank you publicly on Billionaires.com and on social media and to our email list, etc. So thank you for the help in growing this platform together, and I hope you benefit from it just as we are. Thank you.